Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to Prince Miller Entertainment TV channel. Subscribe to the channel. Follow us on Twitter at @PMillerENT. We are also available on Instagram at Prince Miller Entertainment. We are also available on our Facebook account, which is Prince Miller Entertainment. Welcome to the daily news, breaking news, a show we talk about national issues which is happening in and around Zimbabwe, in and out of Zimbabwe. Actually, MDC MPs, the three MDC MPs, the three MDC activists, MP Joanna Mamombe, who is 27 years old, and the party colleagues are Cecilia Chimbiri, she is 31 years old, and Netai Maroa, who is 25 years old, who spent the weekend in jail after their bail ruling was postponed. The three were on Friday held before Harare Magistrate Bianca Makwande, facing a charge of publishing falsehoods prejudicial to the state, and another of defeating the cause of justice. The state alleges that the three made headlines which were aimed at tarnishing the image of the Emmerson Mnangagwa's lead government through faking an abduction. It is state cases that Mamombe and accomplices were captured on CCTV at the Belgravia shopping center in Harare. At a time, they were claiming to have been in the hands of their abductors. Prosecutor Charles Muchemwa told court there are witnesses who saw the trio driving in Mamombe's car in the capital at a time they claimed they had been held captive. Their lawyer, Jeremiah Bamu, raised complaints over the manner with which his clients were arrested, saying police physically and sexually harassed the three. He accused the police of inhuman treatment, saying they were pushing Chimbiri, who had working difficulties when they arrested the trio. According to the state, on May 13, 2020, the three faked their abduction after staging a demonstration in Harare's Warren Park suburb. The state alleged that on the same day, the three advised their legal practitioners and family members through telephone, text messages, and WhatsApp that they have been arrested by the police at the Showgrounds roadblock, and they were held at Harare Central Police Station. It is the state's case that upon receiving the communication from the trio, their lawyer Bamu reported at the CID Law and Order in Harare. Bamu communicated with Chief Inspector Chibaya, telling him that the three had been arrested. Checks were made by the police, and it was established that accused had not been arrested. These are part of the outline. Following this, the alleged fake abduction was widely reported on social media and local newspapers on the same day. It was reported that the three had been arrested for participating in a demonstration. According to the state, in May 2020, at 1 o'clock in the morning, Bamu called the police, informing them that the three activists were at Muchapondwa Business Center in Bindura. They went to collect them in a company of the police. The three were taken to Parktown Hospital for medical examination after claiming they had been tortured. According to the state, on May 19, Marova was interviewed, and in her statement, she claimed she had been abducted. Marova is Cecilia Maroa, so she actually claimed that she had been abducted. That's Netai Maroa, who is 25 years old. She was actually interviewed on the 25th of May, and she actually said that she had been abducted and also tortured, and co-accused were interviewed on 25 May, and they made the same complaints, but the state said they lied. Investigations conducted by the police established that the accused persons were never abducted, but they created or managed the kidnapping, in that during the time of the alleged kidnapping and accused persons visited Belgravia shopping center in Harare. Around 6:45 hours, accused were physically seen by members of the public who testified that at Belgravia shopping center, while in a silver Mercedes-Benz, registration number was provided, which was being driven by accused Mamombe, contrary to their claim that they were at an unknown place during unlawful detention, says the state. Prosecutors allege that the three were captured in CCTV and the videos will be produced as exhibits. The state claims the three damaged the country's reputation. Prosecutors said it was worrying to know that several country representatives issued statements condemning the fake abductions, yet nothing like that occurred. The accused had no lawful excuse to communicate any false statement regarding their arrest by ZRP, said the state. So guys, it was just a reading I was just doing here. I don't know what English camera say, but I hope maisonzwisisa kuti the three MDC activists vakataura vakati zvoni vangova abductwa here, vakanokandwa kubhindura, vakarohwa, vakatochwa. They were like sexual harassed. They were done all sorts of things. And so according to the state government, the three havanambobvira vamboitwa izvozvo, vari kunyepa. These guys they actually staged this whole abduction situation, so I mean, guys, this is a very, because the government is actually trying to clean itself. Remember, try to clean up. Whoever abducted these ladies, and these people and these ladies are saying, isusu takavharirwa, takanorohwa, takatwa imwe, so as I talk at the moment, the ladies are at Harare remand prison, Ndokowari. They are coming back to court on Monday. Ndiparona court kuno kwanyaya kunzvoni vapuwe bail here or kuti vangoramba vakavharirwa. So we're going to be focusing much about this whole issue, nyaya abduction yevasikana the three ladies who are MDC Alliance activists. Anyway, they are still also facing other nyaya demonstration yakaitwa kuWarren Park. I did a video about that, and they actually vari kunzi ndivo vaida kunzirisa nyaya mhirizhonga kuWarren Park, and that was when let me just see here, nyaya Warren Park because the police were actually looking for them for that issue on the 13 2020 pakatwa that rally yeKwarren Park yekuti all the MDC Alliance youth vakabuda vachiti zvoni toda kuti demonstrate tafane nzara whatsoever. So the three were actually the police were actually looking for these guys, and they were looking for these guys to actually answer the questions. Could say vaunganidza vanhu, say vanhu vaita this whole demonstration. And so guys, talk to me in the comment section. Muneona sei nyaya iyi of the three MDC activists vakutaura chokwadi here kana kuti vari kunyepa, and I need your views in the comment section. Thank you very much for listening, and also follow us on all social media platforms. Thank you.